trafficking is believed to be the third largest criminal enterprise on Earth, committing
gangs on London streets brazenly stealing from pedestrians, some going to any length to take from their
有
victim.
关当局警告，青少年毒品使用量大增，包括海洛因。
There are 7.7 billion people on Earth.
This morning's earthquake and aftershocks.
Mom, your phone.
Or 7.7 billion chances to make it a better place. A place where each of us can take the goodness we have inside and share it with the world. It starts with a better way to attack drug abuse, a better way to be informed of and empowered by our human rights, a better way to promote peace and tolerance. And when all hope is shattered, we can do something about it. So let's get started. Let's make a difference. All 7.7 billion of us. Let's better the world.